Yeah, welcome back. We want to continue on equations. Today we shall be looking at equations involving fractions. Given this equation, we want to find the value of n. N is our unknown in this equation. The first thing to do is to express our 2 as a fraction. So we have 6 over n plus 2 over 1 equals 14 over n. The next thing is to find our LCM, and from here our LCM is n. Therefore, multiply the equation by n, all true. This will give us 6 over n multiplied by n plus 2 over 1 multiplied by n equals 14 over n multiplied by n. N cancels n here, we have 6. 1 in n is n. N multiplied by 2 gives us 2n equals n cancels n, we have 14. So we are left with 6 plus 2n equals 14. The next thing is to collect like terms. Collect like terms. We want to move 6 to the right hand side. Therefore, subtract 6 from both sides. This will give us 6 minus 6 plus 2n equals 14 minus 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. We have 2n on our left hand side equals 14 minus 6 is 8. Divide both sides by 2. So we have 2n over 2 equals 8 over 2. 2 cancels 2, n equals 4. 4 is the value of n that makes our equation true. The next equation we have is 2p plus 4 over 5 equals 4 plus p over 3. Let's find our LCM. Our LCM can be obtained by multiplying our denominators. So our LCM is 15. Multiply both sides of the equation by 15. So we have 2p plus 4 all over 5 multiplied by 15 equals 4 plus p all over 3 multiplied by 15. 5 here 1, 5 here, 5 in 15 is 3. So on this side, we have 2p plus 4 multiplied by 3. Here, 3 here 1, 3 here 5. We are left with 4 plus p multiplied by 5. So we remove our brackets. 3 multiplied by 2p will give us 6p. 3 times 4 is 12. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times p gives us 5p. The next thing is that we should collect like terms. Collect like terms. We want to move 5p to the left hand side. We are having plus 5p, so we subtract 5p from both sides. Subtract 5p from both sides. This will give us 6p minus 5p plus 12 equals 20 plus 5p minus 5p. On the left hand side, 6p minus 5p is 1p plus 12 equals 20, because plus 5p minus 5p equals 0. We want to move plus 12 to the right hand side. We subtract 12 from both sides. So this gives us p plus 12 minus 12 equals 20 minus 12. Plus 12 minus 12 is 0. We are left with p here, our unknown. 20 minus 12 is 8. Therefore, 8 is the value of our p, our unknown. When substituted into the equation, it makes our equation true. The next equation we are looking at is 3 over x minus 1 equals 1 over x plus 5. Here, our denominators are expressions. So what we do is to find LCM by multiplying these denominators. So this will give us x minus 1 into x plus 5. This is our LCM. So we multiply both sides of the equation by this LCM. This gives us x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 1 into x plus 5 equals 1 over x plus 5 multiplied by x minus 1 and x plus 5. X minus 1 cancels x minus 1. We are left with 3 multiplied by x plus 5. X plus 5 cancels x plus 5. We are left with 1 multiplied by x minus 1. The next thing is to remove brackets. Remove brackets. Remove brackets by multiplication. This will give us 3 multiplied by x is 3x. 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. 1 multiplied by x is x. 1 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 1. Then we collect like terms. Like terms. Move x to the left hand side. How do we go about that? We subtract x from both sides. Subtract x from both sides. This will give us 3x minus x plus 15 equals x minus x minus 1. 3x minus 1x is 2x plus 15. X minus x is 0. We are left with minus 1 here. We want to move 15 plus 15 to the right hand side. So we subtract 15 from both sides. 15 from both sides. This gives us 2x plus 15 minus 15 equals minus 1 minus 15. Minus 15 minus 15 plus 15 minus 15 is 0. We are left with 2x here. Minus 1 minus 15 will give us minus 16. Here we divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. We have 2x over 2 equals minus 16 over 2. 2 divides 2, x is equal to minus 8. Minus 8 is the value of our unknown. That makes our equation true. Try the following. Number 2. 4 over y plus 1 equals minus 1 over 2y minus 3. Solve these equations. Write your answer in the comments section. Like, subscribe, and share.